In this video, we will discuss about some of the component of extracellular matrix of pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma. Some of the main components are shown here. The basic nature, the ECM of the pancreatic cancer is its desmoplastic nature. What is desmoplastic nature? It is a dense fibrous-like connective tissue. So that usually surrounds the tumors, and it also acts as a physical barrier to helps in the immune evasion. That is, immune cells does not come and interact with the tumor cells, as there is this desmoplastic nature of the tumor microenvironment prevents those interactions. The one of the primary component of the tumor microenvironment of this pancreatic cancer is the collagen. So this collagen also helps in this tumor proliferations and tumor invasions. And one of the important thing that this collagen works is as this tumor microenvironment is a nutrient, we can say nutrient suppressed conditions or nutrient scarce conditions. So in order to make sure this survival of the tumors, it needs to continue its TCA metabolism, and for that it takes the amino acid from the tumor microenvironment and mainly proline from the degraded ECM component such as collagen 1 and collagen 4. So there this collagen also acts as a food supply for these tumors. And next part is this fibronectin. Fibronectin plays an important role in this EMT, that is epithelial to mesenchymal transition, thereby helps in the tumor cells proliferation and at the same time migrations. And the cancer cells are represented here in the red color in the center. And another one is this hyaluronic acid. So, and this in the PDAC, these hyaluronic acids are also found to be upregulated, and it has a complex role as it will also act as a barriers and physical. It will also act as physical barrier and also helps in this. Also helps or prevents the T cells invasion into the tumor microenvironment, and thereby helps in this immune evasions. At the same time, it will also helps in the differentiation of the macrophages towards tumor proliferating or tumor proliferating macrophages, and because of that the macrophages that usually should differentiate towards tumor suppressing phenotype, it will differentiate towards the tumor proliferating phenotype because of this hyaluronic acid, high amount of hyaluronic acid in the tumor microenvironment. Apart from that, some of the components are not mentioned here, such as MMP, that is matrix metalloprotease. It helps in the ECM degradations, thereby helps in the tumor proliferations. And there is other components which is we can say that balance of this MMP, that is TIMP. So the TIMP role is to inhibit MMPs. So a balance between TIMP and MMP dictates the dynamic behavior of the ECM. And apart from that, the one more important component that is not mentioned here is the laminin. Laminin also helps in this tumor proliferations and metastasis, and those are also found to be high in the pancreatic ductal adenocarcinoma tumor microenvironment. So these are some of the important ECM component that this tumor microenvironment of the pancreatic cancer comprised of. And some of the roles, important roles are mentioned here, but those roles are not limited, and they might have other complex roles also, as the tumor microenvironment is a complex structures and behave differently. So I hope you understood in brief what is the extracellular matrix made up of, and what are the different components role towards this tumor invasions or proliferations or EMT transitions. If you need to understand more about this ECM remodeling in detail, you can go through the reference that has been provided in the description. So that's all for this video. Thank you for your time.